What is up, guys? So now that we've got the S15, it starts the part hunt. And as you can imagine, finding parts in the States for an F15, not that easy. So I texted everyone I knew. Texted Adam, he's got nothing. Texted a bunch of friends, I got nothing. Texted Tommy, he said he's got a few things left. So we're pulling in this parking lot now, and we're gonna see what he's got. Whatever he's got, I'm gonna lowball the crap out of him on, and hopefully we can take home some cool pieces for the car today. So let's see what Tommy's got in his little parts collection. Wow, that thing's beautiful. All right, Tommy, what do you got for me?
This is my dealing table. What do you want to?
Should we podcast right
Yeah,
now?
let's podcast. So what do I have for you? I have the headlights, which are headlights. They're boring. But what I have that I know I'll never use and I'm okay selling is that. Oh, I was pointing in the wrong place.
Whoa. Looks expensive.
It was. I can't sell it to anyone. No one has an S15. This is an AB Flug.
Wow.
Carbon splitter.
Beautiful.
Lip. It's dusty.
The fact that it has the like under tray is really cool.
That's what I liked about it.
I don't think people realize how important having like an under tray is.
Car gets so gross if you don't. But yeah, no, this is super cool.
I feel like this is too nice for mine.
It fits like so well in the, and it's the only Spec S bumper. I mean, there's other lips and stuff, but this is the only like real piece, you know?
Wow. It's a really cool piece.
Did a lot come off?
Yeah. And you got these headlights for me that are slightly less dusted than mine.
Yeah. The glass case really did a number on them, I guess.
Yeah, so I think this line will actually buff out.
Yeah, you can really feel it.
Unfortunately, with my headlights, the lenses are like deteriorating from the inside, which means I really can't repair them. And lenses costs like $400, which is ridiculous. And I could get new headlights, but if Tommy can give me a good enough deal on these, I could put off getting new headlights for a little while.
There's no good deals here. Yeah, there you go.
The guy really knows what he's doing.
None of us do.
Fair enough.
Watch what you're doing. I am. Are you? I almost just took a header.
Throw it to Steph. You got it, Steph.
Has to film it. I got it.
Tegra type R lip on this thing. How sick is that?
All right, so Tommy doesn't have much left, but I got the front lip. Thing is beautiful. This is just a really, really cool piece. Scared to put it on, but I also got his old front bumper that he put Type R lip on it. It's all cut up in the corner, but I figured it'd be cool to get because he's gonna give it to me for super cheap. So we'll see if we like it, and if I want to try something, it's a good like template to work with. And then of course the headlights, which are in far better condition than mine. So at least it'll make the car look a little bit more presentable for a little while. So talk to me nice.
$3 grand.
This way. Looks really pretty. It looks so much better than the other ones you have. You can
I do a lot
actually
for the
see
car.
through. I love the little Silvia touch on the side.
How's it feel to actually finally own a Silvia?
Feels weird. Like you can actually call it a Silvia, not lie. Like
Not lie, she says. Because my S13 is just
it
the
was like
poser
it
Silvia.
was kind of like a cheat.
She's calling me out. All right, so successful stop at Tommy's shop. Huge shout to him. He actually did give me a really good deal on all the parts, so I cannot complain. One step closer to making my S15 slightly less hoopty. So let's get back to the shop, tinker a little bit, have some fun. You want to work on your Miata? Okay, let's do it. All Alright, so yesterday I tried buffing the headlights to see if they would come back, because if you guys remember, they were pretty dusted. The driver's side headlight actually came up pretty freaking good. It definitely could be a lot better, but I'm really happy with this. And then the passenger side headlight, of course, I don't know if you can see it on camera, it's actually kind of falling apart in the inside. And like I said before, the lenses alone are worth so much money. So hopefully we could bring this one back from the dead and have like a matching set of like pretty decent headlights, until I want to suck it up and just spend the money on new ones. But this lip is gonna make the car, I swear. We just mocked it up, it looks so freaking good. Check this out. Isn't that ridiculous? I hope you guys can tell, but this lip literally changes the entire look of the car. Now, I'm definitely not ready to put it on just yet. I'll wait till we get a couple more pieces, but I couldn't be more excited. It literally makes the car look so freaking good. All right, so today we're making Steffi replace the radiator on her right-hand drive NB Roadster.
You gonna make me do it?
I'm gonna try and make you do it.
I think I can handle it.
So if you guys don't remember, we got the car registered finally like a week and a half ago, which is a huge deal. So now Steph could take this, have her fun. But unfortunately, the day that I was prepping it to get roadworthy, I broke the radiator.
Sad day. Happy day.
But I ordered her a new bitchin' radiator right here, the new fans and everything. This thing should have no issues keeping that car cool. So we're gonna install this, and then your car is good to go.
So excited.
Gotta put her in sport mode. Now you look ready. All right, what's the first step?
Coolant.
Drain it.
Where? Here it comes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Push it back.
Nice work.
Oh my god.
You gotta
my
twist.
hand is slippery too.
Twist at the same time.
I know what you're doing.
You know what you're doing.
You're making me red. Can I do what you do and just throw it outside?
You can if you want.
Can I do that? No, I'm not doing that.
Think it'll fit?
I hope so. Perfect. Nice.
I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. Nice
Do you
work.
not think that I could do it?
This looks awesome.
This
man. That
looks
thing's
so
huge.
good.
All right, let's hook the hoses up and get this thing going. You know, no funnel gang. Let's see it.
Where's my shirt?
Give me some height. Give me some height. Nice work. Radiator's kicking ass. The old radiator, this thing used to idle at like 190. Now with the new radiator and new fans, the thing has no problem idling at whatever temp I want to set the ECU to. So we're good to go.
Let's go eat. I'm so excited.
Now the car is registered. It's running and driving fantastic. Now the goal is to let Steffi drive it, have some fun, break it in. Then hopefully she'll let me put some wheels on it and we'll lower the car a little bit, because right now it's like, it looks stock, but it's got some really nice coilovers in it. And once we're confident in the swap and everything, she could just daily drive the crap out of it.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
But she's really picky with wheels, so we'll see what she comes up with.
I just want a wheel that looks like a wheel. Like, you know, like not
What
like the
kind of
fancy stuff. I don't
comment
like
is
that.
that?
I
just want a wheel that just looks like a wheel.
I don't want the fancy like weird stars and like the weird.
We'll get her something cool. Don't look just
I'm
yet.
not looking.
Don't look.
I'm not.
You're gonna love it.
You tell me.
All right, so both wheels are on, and it really shows how badly we need to lower this car. I don't want to slam it on her, but check it out. It looks pretty good. Ooh, they look pretty classy, actually. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because it just needs the skirts. If it had the skirts, it'd be all good to...
Looks cute. It's a lot better than I thought it would be.
So now I know the fitment that the car likes. The rear is a little pokey, not a big deal, but this is good. Now I can get you new wheels and I'll put these right back on the E30. Not giving up hope on that car just yet.
No.
Not just yet.
We have it in spirits now.
I know we haven't talked about it in a long time. We'll talk about it later, but haven't given up hope yet.
It's really cute.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we have 16 by 8 in the front, 16 by 9 in the rear, and I think we're good to go. So for now, we're gonna throw her back on the stock use. We got an idea of how cool this car can actually look. It looks freaking awesome. And take your car home tonight. Have fun. Enjoy it. Have a great time.
Let's go.
All right, so I know you guys already saw us take it out and drive it and whatnot, but today is a huge day because today is the day Steph can officially drive it home for like the first time, which I think is like a huge deal. The first time I drive a project car home, it just feels, that's when it really sinks in that the car is good. You own it, it's street ready, and it's just a great feeling. So I know she's gonna have the biggest smile on her face the entire way home. Look, she already looks so at home in this thing, like she's been driving around for years. You fit this thing way too well.
I love this thing.
You look like you've been driving it for years.
Second time. Do you know what today is?
What's today?
What holiday is it? I just found this out too. National Girlfriend's Day.
Today's National Girlfriend's Day?
Mm-hmm.
Sick, well, there you go. Well, Steffi's got a right-hand drive turboed roadster. That is literally immaculate. It's awesome. Quick little video today, nothing too crazy. We got some parts for the S15. That is awesome. We got Steph's Miata on the road. Finally, it is officially ready to go, and now we could hopefully modify it pretty shortly, get that thing looking a little bit more modified, I guess the term is. But man, I cannot wait to get to work on this car. I have some awesome plans. Yesterday I went through and actually cleaned up all the interior a little bit, and this thing's gonna transform pretty cool. But for now, I'm gonna stare at it, be super happy, and well, you guys know the deal. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and Steph?
Have a great day, everybody.